Welcome back, students. This is Omkar sir again to the last part of the chapter. That would be the final thing, and we'll be starting with the disorders and the only part that is left today to complete. And this would be the end of the first chapter. So, let's start with the genetic disorders. So, we have two types of genetic disorders. One is called as the Mendelian disorders, which follow the genes concept, and the other is chromosomal disorder, which follow the chromosomal concept. So we'll study one by one. Mendelian disorders are usually caused by alteration or mutation in the genes. So you can see, okay, अगर जीन में कोई अल्ट्रेशन चेंज आया या म्यूटेशन आया उसकी वजह से जो डिसऑर्डर अराइज होता है तो वो बोला जाता है मेंडेलियन डिसऑर्डर. यू कैन सी there is a change in this particular T, the thymine is replaced by the cytosine nucleotide. So there is an alteration or mutation in the gene, and that would lead to a condition called as Mendelian disorder. We have few examples of the Mendelian disorders. First one is thalassemia, second is sickle cell anemia, hemophilia, color blindness, phenylketonuria, etc. A lot of those disorders are nothing but known as Mendelian disorder. Similarly, we have chromosomal disorders, mainly caused due to the absence or excess of one or more chromosomes, absence or excess of one or more chromosomes, or their abnormal arrangement. So you can see here, okay, here we have the first condition, okay, the shorter version of the first segment, that means there is a deletion occurring. Then here we can see the exact duplicate happened, that is duplication, and you can see the arrows, they are inverting the sequence, that means inversion. So this is the abnormal arrangement of the chromosome that also leads to chromosomal disorder. And we have a few of the following examples of chromosomal disorders, such as Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome. I know that we have already heard of all those syndrome in your 9th standard, but still we have to study them in detail. Okay, so let's start with the basic one, that is we are supposed to study thalassemia. But before we study thalassemia, we are supposed to speak about hemoglobin. Now all of us are quite aware of the fact that hemoglobin is a very important respiratory pigment found in the red blood cells, and its main function is transportation of oxygen. So the structure of hemoglobin is such that it is made up of two chains, okay, two alpha chains, okay, and two beta chains. So that becomes, it's a 4 chain structure. दो अल्फा चेन से बनता है और दो बीटा चेन से बनता है. तो 2 alpha 2 beta come together to form a functional hemoglobin molecule. Now 2 alpha chains are encoded by 2 genes, that is HbA1 and HbA2 genes, encoded on chromosome number 16, okay, and beta chain are encoded by HbB gene, encoded by chromosome number 11. So we have this very important fact that the hemoglobin is a 4-chain molecule made up of 2 alpha chain and 2 beta chain. 2 alpha chain are encoded by 2 genes, HbA1 and HbA2 genes, where Hb stands for hemoglobin, and which are located on chromosome number 16, and 2 beta chains, okay, coded by HbB genes and located on chromosome number 11. Now what is thalassemia? Okay, it is an again autosomal recessive disease, okay, where there is a decrease in synthesis of alpha gene. That there is a decrease in synthesis of which gene? Alpha gene. Okay, alpha gene के synthesis में अगर कमी होती है या okay, कम secrete होता है, that would lead to alpha thalassemia. Similarly, if there is a decrease in synthesis of beta gene, then we call it as beta thalassemia. Now यूजुअली थैलेसीमिया में एक हाथ चेन एब्सेंट रहता है, दैट इज़ ईदर अल्फा चेन एब्सेंट होगा या बीटा चेन एब्सेंट होगा, और उसके वजह से हीमोग्लोबिन का नॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर वुड बी एब्सेंट. नाउ सिम्टम्स क्या क्या आते हैं? सिम्टम्स सच एज अनीमिया, जॉन्डिस, change in size and shape of the RBC, slow growth and development, dark urine. Usually these are because of earlier degradation of RBC, which leads to a great amount of damage to the liver, and hence the jaundice, and hence the less hemoglobin content, hence the anemia. And size and shape of the RBC, if you remember, are dependent on the hemoglobin. Slow growth and development because of less oxygen, and dark urine again because of excess amount of hemoglobin being broken down in liver and hence excreted out of the body, hence the dark urine. So treatment क्या है sir? There is only one single treatment that is available for now is the blood transfusion. Okay, the particular patient suffering from it has to be donated blood, okay, frequently. And the patients we have seen are ranging from birth. The child is also suffering from thalassemia, and even that particular child is supposed to get a blood transfusion. So imagine the severity of the thalassemia. So this is what the thalassemia is, okay, and this is the sickle cell anemia. So RBC का shape sickle हो जाता है, इसको बोलते हैं sickle cell anemia, and the total change in the structure of the RBC is called as thalassemia. Now क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर दो टाइप के होते हैं, बिकॉज क्रोमोसोम भी दो टाइप के होते हैं, ऑटोसोम एंड सेक्स क्रोमोसोम। इसलिए डिसऑर्डर भी ऑटोसोमल डिसऑर्डर है और सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर है। ऑटोसोमल में अपने को एक ही एग्जांपल देखना है, डाउन सिंड्रोम, एंड सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल में दो देखने एग्जांपल, टर्नर सिंड्रोम एंड क्लाइनफेल्टर सिंड्रोम. So before we start with any of this disorder, why this disorder arises, the reason behind this disorder being arising is because of the disjunction. So what is disjunction and what is non-disjunction? Usually हम लोगों ने disjunction पढ़ा है. We all know that during this particular condition the chromosome split. Okay, the chromosome split. You can see this is the proper disjunction. Okay, centromere से split होके एक chromatid दोनों में से एक साइड पे जाएगा, दूसरा दूसरे साइड पे जाएगा. बट अगर ये डिसजंक्शन नहीं होता है तो पूरा का पूरा क्रोमैटिड एक साइड पे जाएगा, ओके, और दूसरे साइड पे कुछ नहीं जाएगा. तो इसको बोलते हैं नॉन डिसजंक्शन. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरी सेम रीजन द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम वेरीज इन वन सेल एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर सेल. यू कैन सी इट वुड हैव 3 chromosome plus one chromatid, but here it would have only 2 chromosomes. There would be a decrease or an increase in the number of chromosome because of non-disjunction. So now the first condition that we have is autosomal disorder. And autosomal disorder, okay, because it is affecting the autosome. This syndrome is called as Down syndrome. Why? Because of the discoverer who studied the syndrome was known as John Langdon Down, hence the Down syndrome. What exactly is the number of chromosome? They have 47 chromosome. Conventionally we have how many chromosome? 46. But in this condition कितने chromosome है बच्चों? 47. Okay, इसको ट्राइजोमी 21 भी बोला जाता है. Why ट्राइजोमी? Because normally 2 chromosome होते हैं 21st chromosome, but इधर एक chromosome extra है. एक chromosome extra होने की वजह से 21st chromosome extra होने की वजह से we call it as trisomy 21. We call it as trisomy 21. So the process responsible for this autosomal condition is nothing but chromosomal non-disjunction. There was a failure of chromosome separation during the gamete formation, and hence this is the condition that is arising. What are the symptoms? You just analyze the photo and correlate the symptoms. Epicanthus eye fold. Epi मतलब होता है above, आँखों के ऊपर एक fold दिख रहा है skin का. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं epicanthus skin fold. ऊपर भी है और नीचे भी है. Okay, that is called as epicanthus fold under the eye. Okay, then if we have flat and rounded nose, mouth is always open, you can see the tongue is always out, that is protruding. Skeletal development एकदम poor होता है. Arc palate, अपना palate normal होता है, इनका arc होता है. Okay, presence of semen crease. अभी semen crease कैसे होता है? अगर तुम लोग अपने hand को ओके दैट इज पाम को हाथ में रखो, अपने सामने रखो, यू कैन सी मैनी क्रीजेस, नॉट वन क्रीज. बट इन केस ऑफ सीमियन क्रीज मतलब क्या होगा इन पेशेंट्स में? ओके, ओनली वन क्रीज दे कैन सी ऑन देयर पाम इंस्टेड ऑफ मैनी क्रीजेस. सो दैट इज एन इंडिकेशन ऑफ ओके डिफेक्ट इन देयर ओवरऑल बॉडी. That's how autosomal disorders are. They are not affecting the sex of the child, they are affecting the overall body structure. This children's we have often seen as a special students or special children's in the special schools, and they are mentally retarded. So they are often seen with their parents or the caretaker or any of the family members. Then we have the second last disorder, that is Turner syndrome. Okay, Turner syndrome was again discovered by the scientist known as Turner, hence the name Turner syndrome. the number of chromosome here is 45, that is it is lacking one chromosome. So since the Turner syndrome is sex chromosomal disorder, so number of autosomes are same, that is they have 44 autosome, but instead of having two sex chromosome, it has only one X chromosome. The 0 means no chromosomes. Usually we say XO, where O is no chromosome. Okay, now the process responsible for this condition is again chromosomal non-disjunction. अभी इधर क्या हो रहा है, अभी इधर क्या क्या दिख रहा है, यूजुअली फिनोटाइपिकली the person suffering from Turner is female. Why? Because मेल होने के लिए Y क्रोमोसोम ज़रूरी है, बट इधर क्या है, सिर्फ एक ही X क्रोमोसोम है, तो फिनोटाइपिकली शी वुड बी फीमेल. ओके, उसका हाइट छोटा रहेगा, दैट इज शॉर्ट स्टेचर, लो पोस्टीरियर हेयर लाइन, हेयर ग्रोथ भी छोटी रहेगी, एंड सेकेंडरी सेक्शुअल कैरेक्टर्स SSC वुड नॉट डेवलप. शी वुड बी स्टराइल बिकॉज एक ही X क्रोमोसोम होने की वजह से कंप्लीट फीमेल नहीं होगी वो, and that's why the Turner syndrome women won't be able to conceive a child because of absence of development of secondary sexual characters. And the last disorder that we have left with is the Klinefelter syndrome, again discovered by a scientist known as Klinefelter, and hence the Klinefelter syndrome. This is the condition of 47 chromosome, that means again autosomes would be normal 44, बिकॉज क्लाइनफिल्टर इज अ सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर, और सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर होने के वजह से इसमें कंडीशन क्या रहेगी, एक एक्स क्रोमोसोम एक्स्ट्रा है. नॉर्मली मेल्स में XY होता है, बट इधर क्या है, एक एक्स क्रोमोसोम ज़्यादा है. कंडीशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल किसकी वजह से थी, नॉन क्रोमोसोमल नॉन डिसजंक्शन. एंड अभी सिम्टम्स क्या क्या दिखते हैं, दे आर एक्सेप्शनली टॉल, यूकोनॉइड मतलब क्या होता है, यूनिकॉइड मतलब होता है स्टेराइल, दे कैन नॉट रिप्रोड्यूस, poorly developed secondary sexual characters, testes usually small होते हैं, spermatogenesis that is formation of sperm absent होता है, intelligence normal है. So you can see there is something called as breast development, female type pubic hair pattern, the body appears like the feminine although it is the male. So such condition is known as the Klinefelter syndrome. For simplicity version I have the last slide in which एकदम सिंपल फुल्ली चार्ट के फॉर्म में है, तुम लोग को डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए बहुत सिंपल हो जाएगा बच्चों. सो आई हैव गिवन ऑटोसोमल डिसऑर्डर, सेक्स क्रोमोसोमल डिसऑर्डर, सिंड्रोम नेम, number of chromosome, process responsible, symptoms. So at one glance you can see the entire picture. So this was the end of the chapter. Thank you for subscribing and sharing my videos, and please keep posted, like, subscribe and share, because too soon we'll be coming with the next chapter, that is chapter number 1, that is reproduction in lower and higher plants. So we'll see you soon. Thank you.